Oepl has been building locomotives for more than 30 years now by a team of technocrats who aspired to create a company which will lead from the forefront of rail-based products and services in India. Here is a CMV manufactured by Oepl. The Catenary Maintenance Vehicle (CMV) is a self-propelled, diesel-powered, 8-wheeler bogie-type and bidirectional vehicle with diesel hydraulic drive. This CMV is designed for working on standard gauge of 1435 mm. It is used for maintenance of catenary lines. This CMV is capable of traveling at a maximum speed of 60 km per hour on straight level track on its own and in a train formation. It is capable of carrying payload up to 10 tons, which comprises of 2 cable reel drums of 4 tons each, men and material. The CMV comprises of an elevating platform, crane, mast positioner, height and stagger measurement device, and hotspot detection system for the ease of maintenance of the catenary line. The crane mounted on CMV is Paulfinger make and model PK23500. It is hydraulically operated fixed-type knuckle boom crane and is without outriggers or jacks. The crane is structurally integrated with the underframe of the CMV. The crane is capable of lifting loads of 2 tons at 10 meters distance from rail centers with 400-degree swing. The crane can be operated by the controller provided near the crane or the radio remote. The crane is provided with suitable hose burst valve to protect against accidental lowering due to system failure. The operation of crane, hoisting, slewing shall be hydraulic. It is driven by the power pack which is operated by the genset. The crane comes with 2 attachment options. One is the hook assembly for lifting material around and a man basket for men to access locations under a bridge or those that are inaccessible otherwise. The elevating platform mounted on CMV is Paulfinger make and model PA95. It is hydraulically operated. It is capable of lifting up to 600 kilograms to a height of 6.5 meters from rail level. The elevating platform is capable of 360-degree swivel at 2 locations for all-around access. The elevating platform is fixed with 2 halogen work lights for ease of working in the night. The platform is provided with suitable hose burst valve to protect against accidental lowering due to system failure. It has foldable handrails to avoid interference when the elevating platform is not in use and for safety when the platform is in use. The operation of the elevating platform is possible using the controller on the elevating platform or the remote control provided for operation of the elevating platform. It is fixed to the CMV underframe by bolts. The elevating platform is driven by a hydraulic power pack powered by a genset. Electro-hydraulically controlled mast with guiding rollers to perform stringing operation of a conductor for railway lines. The mast positioner mounted on the CMV is model 131.1 make OMAC, Italy. The mast positioner comprises of 1 telescopic main mast with 2 stages of extension, telescopic extension mast, cable guide, and pendant control. It can be operated by the controller provided on the main mast or using the wired pendant controller. Electric panel is stainless steel which incorporates all the elements for mast actuation. There is also 2 pins provided for locking the mast movement during operation of CMV. The system is from Avenir Tech Ventures Private Limited make. It consists of 1 laser-based distance measurement sensor for height measurement. It has a strip mounted with proximity sensors in a line for stagger measurement. The product is aimed for outdoor installation on moving vehicle and will be used for recording height and stagger measurement of OHE cable in an automatic manner. Height of the wire is measured with reference to the pantograph. A laptop is provided with the software to record and store data for later viewing. The thermal imaging system to detect and fault points in OHE catenaries is fixed on CMV. Option is fixed on the CMV. It is procured from Avenir Tech Ventures Private Limited. The thermal imaging diagnostics system is designed for temperature and visual monitoring of metro overhead wires and suspension elements in automatic mode. The system consists of thermal camera installed in protective housings and servers for information processing. It gives the result in the form of a photo of the hotspot, temperature detail, and the physical location of the hotspot on the railway track with GPS coordinates of the location. For more than 3.5 decades, OEPL has been serving business segments like Indian Railways, cement industry, mining sectors, defense, heavy industries, power sector, ports and shipyards, steel sector, fertilizers, mills to coal and infrastructure industry with precision, efficiency, and consistency in service and quality. OEPL has served customers for whom quality and reliability are paramount. It has always excelled in providing customized solutions to specific problem statements of the customers. The CMV presented can also be customized to suit individual customers.